Hey, what's up, Chiliz holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Chiliz. My friends, this is urgent news of Chiliz. Keep watch this video till the end, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Please subscribe now. Now, my friends, let's see the latest update of the Chiliz. And after that, we discuss the price changes in the Chiliz. What will be they start jumping? What will the fast down? Let's see, my friends. So friends, if you look the latest price of Chiliz at this time in the market, so you can see here the latest price of the Chiliz is 0.282876 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Chiliz. On the other side, if you look the latest price Chiliz in the Chiliz, so last 1 hour, last 1 day price is positive, except of these the last 1 week price is negative. Oh my goodness. This means that the previous state in the Chiliz is negative, but now this time the latest state is going positive. So this means from yesterday the Chiliz start jumping. So my friends, when they start jumping from yesterday, so I hope they will continue this thing for a long time, because they start jumping in the start of June. That's why I suggest that they will continue this jump for a long time, my friends. That is my prediction. My prediction about Chiliz is 100% positive this time, because I saw the jump of the Chiliz. And get ready to the moon, my friends. Get ready to the moon. We are on the way of moon. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. What's going on this time in the price chart? Oh my coin is absolutely a very complicated chart of the Chiliz. At this time the jump so core, the price of the Chiliz is fast down here, but now as I show you that the last 1 hour price is again positive, so there's a lot of chances to they again take a jump, my friends. I believe my friends that they will continue this jump to the last of this month, my friends. My target for Chiliz is 0.50 USD dollar. That is my target for Chiliz, and you can see here that they can already had 0.31. that is the highest price of the Chiliz. You can see here. Now the last 1 week pricing is negative, but from yesterday they took a jump, so I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time. Gradually the price will become positive. Thank you so much for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Chiliz? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.